Welcome to GPL Pro Market Apps. So today I would like to tell you about a new implementation, that is fundamental research. So for example, this is our market watch page. So if you want to know about any fundamental history of a company, just click on the script. For example, here we will click on HDFC Bank. So you will see some icons below buy and sell. Click on the rupee icon. So there you can see the consolidated balance sheets, standalone balance sheet, consolidated P&L and standalone P&L. Next, click on the icon which look like charts, and there you can see consolidated result, standalone result and ratios. Click on next icon. There you can see all the information about the HDFC Bank or the company you have selected. Thank you.